Here we go. Johnny's doing some experiment of chopping down. Oh, I thought he was gonna just do it from here. I don't know what I was thinking. Let me not step on my pumpkin. Look at my baby pumpkin. So he wants me to hold this rope. Give me instructions, babe. Want me to pull on this rope when you chop that?
Yeah.
Just pull it so it doesn't land on the ground, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
So for now, keep it like this.
Okay.
With this loop.
Okay.
That way it will prevent from snapping.
No snapping up in here. Okay.
Leave it loose right now. For now. I'm gonna try to push it a little more.
Okay.
In the branch. And
I'll try.
so I'm gonna do a cut from the bottom. Going up. So that way it will be.
Okay, we got it cut and now it's coming down. Slowly. Try not to get the electrical line. Uh-oh, it's caught on it.
No, it's
Ah, it's on it. There we go. Got it down. That's a big old, what do you call that thing when you put the rubber band between it? And you throw rocks?
I don't know.
Slingshot. Right? You put the rubber band and you pull it back and
Yeah.
look at that. Good job.